In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your X.com or Twitter followers in just a few simple steps. Whether you're checking your own audience growth, reviewing your profile stats, or just wanting to see who follows your account, this is a quick and easy method that takes only a few seconds. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to X.com. You can also access it through Twitter if that's what you still type into your search bar, but the website will now take you to it. Once the homepage loads, sign into the account you want to check. If you're already logged in, you can move on to the next step right away. After you're in, look at the left-hand menu on the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation options for your account. Click on Profile. This will open your public profile page, where X displays your account details, your posts, and your follower information. On your profile page, look for the followers count. This number shows how many people currently follow your account. You can click on the followers section if you want to see the full list of followers, or simply view the count if all you need is the total number. This is especially helpful if you're tracking growth over time, managing a brand account, or just keeping an eye on your audience. If you use X regularly, checking your followers is a good way to understand how your content is performing and how your profile is growing. And that's really all there is to it. Open X.com, click Profile in the left-hand menu, and select your followers count to see your followers. It's fast, simple, and you don't need any extra tools or extensions. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.